Developing story in downtown Fort Myers. This is the trial of Jimmy Rodgers. He's one of the men accused of killing Dr. Teresa Severs inside her home in Bonita Springs in 2015. In your corner, your eyes and ears inside the courtroom. My co-anchor Jane Monreal anchoring our coverage live from downtown Fort Myers at the Lee County Courthouse. Sounds like they made a big step here with the jury selection process, Jane.
Absolutely, Patrick. This just in the last minute or two. They do have their jury panel of 12 right now. Want to turn it right over to Sandra Rodriguez, who has been following this. And Sandra, you just got word of it. What else can you tell us?
They're in there right now being sworn in. There's going to be 12 jury members with 2 alternates. And out of the 41, it came down to this group.
Yeah, I mean, it started kind of off slow yesterday. They didn't really start with any of the questions in that second phase of questioning until the afternoon. And then this morning, we had that second phase still start with that phase this morning, but they really dwindle it down really quickly.
Yeah, and then the third phase didn't start until this afternoon, and they were able to get it all done by this evening. And some of those questions from the defense really made sure that this group of jurors understood that Rodgers is presumed innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah, you were there for part of the pool, and so they really asked everybody just to raise their hands on what other beliefs and convictions they had, right?
Yeah, of course, if themselves or any of their family members belong to law enforcement, if they understand that, like I said, Rodgers is presumed innocent, what kind of witnesses they would find credible in this trial, for those types of questions, and as well if they've taken any psychology classes.
And something about graphic pictures. Are they able to stand that, right?
The state asked the potential jury members if they would be okay with seeing graphic images and potentially images of the victim in the crime scene.
Okay, so, and everybody was okay with that?
Everybody said they would be okay with seeing those graphic images.
And we spoke to Pamela C. in the last half hour, and she was in the courtroom as well for the first time during this trial. And really, she said that she felt confident in this group of people that they were going to find their jury, if not today, definitely by Thursday. Do you feel the same?
Yes, it was a very serious group. All of them said they would remain unbiased and just really look at the facts, at the evidence before making any conclusions.
And you said something about one of the witnesses, Curtis Wright, who took a plea deal. They did mention his name today.
Yes, he will be one of the witnesses for the state side, and they did ask the jury members if they would listen to his testimony because he did plead guilty and he was at the crime scene.
All right, obviously proven to be a pretty efficient group, and they dwindle it down here as they were a little slow into last week and the beginning of this week, but it looks like they got their jury now.
Yeah, so now we're just expecting those opening statements to happen Thursday.
That's right. Tomorrow is going to be a closed day, and Pamela C. also mentioned that might be part of the process in trying to get everyone tonight done and taking care of their jury so they can focus using tomorrow as an off day for the Yom Kippur holiday to start opening statements on Thursday. So it looks like we have our jury. We will have more coming up, this time with our Court TV correspondent at the bottom of the hour here to talk more about the process and what else we can expect this week. For now, we're live in downtown Fort Myers outside the Lee County Courthouse. Jane Monreal along with Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in your corner.